वो जो कॉमेडी एलिमेंट है ना, जो रोम कॉम में हम जो रोम कॉम बोल रहे हैं, वो अब ना वो हर जगह डाल दिया है. आई कीप हियरिंग थ्रिलर कॉम, सेक्स कॉम, दिस कॉम, दैट कॉम.
Very calm.
हाँ, very
I love
कॉम.
her, but
When you're not in this country and you're shooting, then like we mentioned before, at an outdoor, your co-actors and the rest of the team sort of become your family. You know, so you're doing everything together, you're exploring together, sometimes not because Nakul is busy drinking.
लंदन में ना हम बाहर स्ट्रीट्स पे शूट कर सकते हैं और वो चीज़ बड़ी अच्छी लगती है. इधर क्या होगा ना,
Mira Road में Karan will get mobbed. मैं और
इधर मीरा रोड में सर कमाल कर रहे हो सर,
मेरा नहीं सर.
कमाल कर रहे हो सर.
Hi guys, my name is Imran Ismail and today I have a star cast of Never Kiss Your Best Friend and season 2 is coming and so happy to have you guys here. I want to start by asking you this question first. 2 years. Why did you guys make us wait for 2 years? Come on, it's been long.
You know there was this
You should ask COVID.
small thing called Corona in the world,
था ना ऐसे
which
कुछ?
Blame China.
China
ऐसा था.
sent our way.
Blame the Chinese.
So हमारे यहाँ तो चल रहा था, आपके यहाँ नहीं चल रहा था क्या?
चल रहा था sir, but फिर भी
नहीं, हम आए थे ना, कोविड में भी आए थे ना, एक लॉकडाउन एडिशन आया था जिसमें इन्होंने काम किया
We
था.
tried
no, but
there
I saw.
also.
Let's
Our
start on-
internet wasn't good at that time, so reception wasn't done, so we were not in that show.
Okay, but I saw the trailer and I guess the wait was worth it. I love the drama. Actually, it's my kind of genre. I love romantic dramas and I love rom-coms. All right, thank you so much for bringing season 2 to us. Let's start with this question. A very very simple question. Where's the graph going in this particular season? We saw the season 1 on a cliffhanger, like a very ended on a note where we wanted to see more right now, right? How does the graph go
Season
here?
1, correct me if I'm wrong, it's been 2 years. But season 1 ended with Tani and Sumer falling in love and
The last
hoping
shot
for
is that
your
screen.
book comes out and hoping that
Yeah.
this life will be beautiful.
Yeah.
Season 2, the little I can just reveal is that we despise each other for reasons which you would find out. And it's two best friends turned lovers who now are each other's exes. And individually in their lives, a breath of sunshine comes in our man Karan Wahi and Sarah Jane, our friend. And then how life sort of goes around. And then this season actually, the premise of it is now we're working, we're professionals. And then how does love get crowded, like Z5 tells us? But also in that, how do you go back and do you find friendship? Do you go back to love? I mean, these are all questions which I think, like Anya loves to say, are very relatable. So I'm picking from her. So it's got a melange of all of these things going on, man.
Like you said, it is relatable actually. Whenever you see something like that, it's very relatable and audience connects to it like instantly. Tell us about the graph of your particular character. How does it, where does it go in this particular season?
I can't tell you where it goes because then I'm
Alright.
telling you the story.
Yeah.
But she has two wonderful men who are part of her life in this season, and hence confused. As you can tell, they're both
You
wonderful.
also have Gautam, you're forgetting.
Gotu is my favorite.
Cutest,
Yeah, Gotu is a cutie. Like, you know, so this season, it's a much larger family. Like you said, there's Gotham, there's someone else as well. But it's a very different graph from season 1. That's all I can say for both our characters.
All right. And does Karan and Sarah, right? बहुत सारा drama, बहुत सारे emotions, नए emotions देखने मिले Karan. I want to know from you, like, never kiss your best friend. Like ये season 2 में आके.
first season?
Yes, I am.
I love you, man. So cool and enthusiastic. I love you.
So Karan, you enter and you create a lot of emotions between two, right? I want to know what is your particular role in this season 2, right?
So it's so I'm playing
Not
this
wear
guy.
a t-shirt
I'm playing-
at any point.
I'm playing
No.
an actor called Karan only, which is brilliant.
Named you Nakul.
I
That would have been
wish.
too funny.
I wish, but
Just like for some.
मैं तो
More confusion.
Yeah, more confusion. कि ये है कौन?
Where मैं Nakul से
बिल्कुल से प्यार करता हूँ. No, but yeah, it's fun. It's a show that I watched. The first season, I really enjoyed the show. It also probably was something very different to the other shows that came at that point of time.
Right.
And 2 years later, also, I feel with all the thrilling elements or the thrillers or the dingy, dark web shows that have been coming.
Right.
Here is Breath of Fresh Air. It's romance.
Right.
It is,
That's what I wanted to hear.
It's and it is it's I don't know if I should say it's light-hearted, because it's not just light-hearted. It has its own drama, but you'll definitely either relate to certain things, or you'll have a smile because probably you must have said the same thing, or you must have heard the same thing. Or you would probably watch the show and say, oh shit, I reacted like this in life also. And I enjoyed every bit of it. Yeah. When they came to me, it's like you said that you were a fan. I was a fan of the show, and if you get an opportunity to do something that you've enjoyed, why to leave it?
Imran, you might be in the third season now, going by this.
Yeah. So dekh lo bhai.
Right, but tell me this: how much?
Are you ready to romance Anya Singh?
Yeah, because this is the third man that she's romancing in 3 seasons technically.
All right,
2.5.
let's see.
Imran, are you ready?
I'm ready. I'm always ready.
So nervous, he's not making eye contact.
No, I'm all. I'm ready. I'm ever ready.
Yes.
All right, I'm ready. But I want to ask you, like, world does need rom-com, right? World does need romantic drama from time to time.
Dude, Russia definitely needs more romance.
That's
For
the-
sure, man.
Yes, we do need a series like this. Like you said, we see a lot of content on OTT
Yeah.
platform right now, and what we need is a breath of fresh air, like you said. And world needs time to time romantic dramas, romantic comedies. How much do you guys agree with this?
I think primarily
What
that
needs
I think why rom-coms have stopped coming that much is that's what my thought is. I might be completely wrong, but वो जो कॉमेडी एलिमेंट है ना, जो रोम कॉम में हम जो रोम कॉम बोल रहे हैं, वो अब ना वो हर जगह डाल दिया है. I keep hearing thriller com, sex com, this com, that com.
Very calm.
हाँ, Mary com.
I love her, but yeah.
I love her.
Mary
I love her too.
We all love.
But I think rom-coms should just be the classic. They should just be shot the classic way. Otherwise, they shouldn't be. And
Ideally in London.
yeah, and ideally in
That
London.
brings to my next question.
Because
Actually,
it
That
looks
brings to my
good,
next question.
and I'm very glad that it actually was shot in London, because I feel the way it looks, a large part of it has to definitely go
I
to
think
London.
romancing in Mira Road.
नहीं, बट पता क्या वाइब इसलिए नहीं है क्योंकि लंदन में ना हम बाहर स्ट्रीट्स पे शूट कर सकते हैं और वो चीज़ बड़ी अच्छी लगती है. इधर क्या होगा ना,
Mira Road में Karan will get mobbed. मैं और
इधर मीरा रोड में सर कमाल कर रहे हो सर,
मेरा था सर.
कमाल कर रहे हो सर.
I think we're diverting a bit
Check
from
नाके
the
के आगे जाके.
Let's get back to London, all right? I guess it's every actor's dream to like do a romantic drama rom-com in London, right? How much do you guys agree with this? Like being an actor, romance in the background of London makes it really appealing, right?
सवाल आने
नया बताओ.
I mean, yes, of course, it's great because you're in a different country altogether and a wonderful country. Like he had said pehle, आप coffee भी पीने जाओ, it's a different feeling altogether. You feel like taking a walk to get your cup of coffee in the morning. You know, here you're just like, नहीं मुझे बाहर नहीं जाना है. I start
Zomato.
sweating. Yeah. So, as in, I don't know if it's every actor's dream to be a part of a rom-com that's outdoor. I'm not particularly
Not outdoor,
sure.
London I'm talking about.
Oh, London in particular.
I don't know if it's Will Smith's dream though. Because he
We
already
had a
achieved his
great
dream.
time shooting this in London.
Yeah,
I
and
just want to cut him.
I'm happy. I did hate story in London and I'm doing love story in London, so yeah, it's okay.
No, but you're right. There is a different feeling altogether. You know, when you're not in this country and you're shooting, then like we mentioned before, at an outdoor, your co-actors and the rest of the team sort of become your family. You know, so you're doing everything together, you're exploring together, sometimes not because Nakul is busy drinking, but other times.
Make it sound like I have a drinking problem.
No,
man.
you don't, you don't.
And then you have to also, and then Anya also had to go to the Queen's Castle and do like a salami.
Yeah.
She actually paid a salami
I
in
did.
like respect.
Yeah.
Okay, that's nice. All right, but let's talk about this platform. OTT as a platform, I want to talk about, right? It's a boon for us. New actors are coming in, showcasing talent. Established actors are coming in, reinventing themselves. Writers are getting work nowadays. So I want to know, like, how does it make you feel to, I want to say, the wave of cinema that's been happening in a country right now? Because there is no more Bollywood, there is no more Tamil cinema, there is no more any more cinema, TV or anything. It's just united as one. Like, I want to say that. Tell me
I
about this
hope,
wave of-
yaar, I hope what you're saying eventually becomes a norm, that everyone has equal opportunities and everyone has that
And you're not categorized.
Yeah, and you're not just categorized in any set of medium that you come from. Yes, things have become better, but I feel this is like a long battle that we as individuals will have to go through. But I'm happy the OTT platform has given us an opportunity to actually work together.
That's what.
A lot of people that you actually like. I would never have worked with, say, Anya, if an OTT platform wouldn't come, because she's not from television, and my main forte comes from television, and I don't know when I would get the next film, and she was doing films at that time. So I think it's a great bridge between the two mediums. I feel.
Also, on a connecting thought, Karan has biscuits, I have biscuits.
All right.
जावेद सर, ये जो आज आप करके गए हो ना,
Wasn't that great? Like, I think the audience at Times of India is like exploding right now. Man.
talking about our Parleji.
How about you?
She also has biscuits. She's working at it. Yeah, she is. Every day I see like stories of her working out.
I'm trying.
Yeah.
This I'm so competitive ना इसकी देख के ना I'm like मुझे भी I need to get there. But I think he put it very nicely, and the last thing that he said, it's a bridge that's connecting the two. Which is what I truly feel. Like if you see today, there are a lot of actors I feel, and we've had these discussions by ourselves as well. There are a lot of actors from television who today are doing a lot of work on OTT. There are actors from across the country, you know, who speak different languages and today are doing Hindi shows or OTT shows. So I feel like that blur has given you a chance to be recognized as an actor versus अच्छा TV actor है, अच्छा South film का actor है. You know, these tags are no longer with you. And I hope that becomes a reality, and by the end of it, there's no categorization. Because at the end of it, we're artists, na. We're here to do one thing only,
True.
no matter which medium it's for.
True, that's true. I also wanted to ask you, like, there used to be an existing power structure in the industry, if you guys know about it. Do you think because of the arrivals...
Used to be.
So I just let me complete my questions, because do you believe because of the arrivals of OTT that line is slowly blurring or demeaning right now?
I don't know, yaar. I think I personally feel things before the lockdown and after the lockdown have become drastically different. Also because the film fraternity took the biggest hit.
Right.
You know, films didn't come in cinema halls, and still a lot of makers are probably banking on the OTT platform, because also I feel like television, the OTT platform has like a very wide range of audience. Also because a lot of your television audience has gotten used to watching your shows now on the OTT platforms. So it's widened the entire range. But I think post the lockdown, I feel that power thing will always be there. That the set norms will always be there. It's how you maneuver around them. And I think we're probably, I feel, actors who've been maneuvering around them. And I think we're getting our dues finally.
How about you, Nakul? You've been quiet.
Yeah, I've just been lost in your eyes, actually.
All right.
They're very pretty.
Thank you. Yours too.
Thanks.
All right, let's go
Your
ahead.
smile is also really...
Thank you so much. Let's go.
सहरा क्या नहीं आई तुम यहाँ शुरू हो गए?
Power structures. I think power structures exist in the real world, right? It's
Right.
not just in our medium, in our industry. It exists in your job, in the medical fraternity, if you're an engineer. So the power structure is everywhere, right? But I think we are artists because we believe we are free. We believe at least, right?
Right.
We may not be, depending on contracts, producers, etc. I feel power structures will exist always. It's really up to you and your imagination and your ambition that you would sort of find your way around them,
All right.
right? So, not to say that I want to be at the top of that hierarchy, but I want to find my way to make myself happy each day.
All right.
So, for me, climbing up the power structure doesn't mean I have to do a film. I do a television show which is watched by a lot of the world, right? And if you look at someone else coming from a small town, for him this might be power structure. But I look at it as fluidity, right? As artists, if you can't be fluid and you're stuck, then that's not what we came here for. At least that's not
Fair.
what I think 3 of us came here for.
Fair enough.
So in my head, power structures are there everywhere, and you have to flow, and
Mm-hmm.
you have to find like what gives you happiness.
Mhm.
And if you probably asked me 5 years or 7 years ago,
Mhm.
success would have sounded great and would have been, finding validation. But today, like a great day at work, is me finding happiness.
That's
so
nice.
that is for me. I look for joy in those moments, and I don't know if that answers your question. But
It does, it does, it does. So tell us where we can see Never Kiss Your Best Friend Season 2 and when it's coming
Not
out.
on the other platforms, only on Z5. We don't believe in piracy, and I strongly, I will not let that happen because we are all for privacy. Yeah, not piracy, privacy. Privacy.
And if you don't have an account, you can take mine. But please watch
Yeah,
the show.
subscription.
Do you want to do take 2?
No, I like mistakes. I mean, we all are products of mistakes.
Alright.
Never Kiss Your Best Friend Season 2 only on 29th April.
Only on 29th April?
I mean on 29th April. Only on.
29th April on Z5 for eternity. Till the world comes to an end, till the wars get over, till there's love all over the world.
Alright.
Please watch it.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank
I don't
you.
think I got my last shot, but thank you so much.
What?
Yeah, it was good. Cut it out.